And meteorologist Nick Bender is here now, and as you were saying, it really, with all those problems, we're not really talking about the heat.
No, Rachel's story is spot on, and what the gentleman said was it's not so much the extreme temperatures, because we haven't had a 100-degree high this summer. We haven't even had many 95-degree days this summer. It's been pouring down rain, sun comes out, super humid. Then it pours down rain, sun comes out, gets super humid. And that has been the pattern since the beginning of June, which has resulted in the air just feeling heavy and chock full of moisture every day. Case in point, today. It's cloudy, but it just feels so much more oppressive than what the actual temperature reflects. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Light rain showers continue to roll across far northern Missouri. Might get a lightning strike or two out of some of those cells, but no risk of severe weather right now. Now we will monitor this area here along 136 highway, which runs from about Tarkio, Maryville over to Bethany and then into Princeton for additional storms later today that may produce severe weather. And I think the greatest risk of severe weather may be just over the state line there into southern Iowa late this afternoon to this evening, from 4 to 9 o'clock. But that does highlight that corridor, the 136 highway that runs from Maryville over to Bethany and Trenton. There may be 1 or 2 severe thunderstorms. Damaging wind gusts are the primary threat, followed by maybe isolated pockets of large hail. But I'm more concerned about damaging wind from maybe 1 or 2 storms. I don't think this is going to be 5, 6, 7 severe thunderstorms rolling through that area. The tornado potential, it's very low for a brief tornado. It's not 0. There may be a slightly more favorable zone for a tornado or 2, again, just over the line in southern Iowa later this afternoon. So if you live from Maryville over to Trenton, I just want you to be alert for the rest of the day. Make sure you have the KNBC app on your phone. That way, if there's a watch issued or a warning, you're going to get it in plenty of time to take action. Here in Kansas City, mostly cloudy sky through the day. I mean, we're right on the edge of the thicker cloud cover. South of Kansas City, there's more sunshine. It's a lot hotter. Temperatures reaching about 94 degrees. I might be too hot there with the sun. It will be hotter south of downtown Kansas City. Get to some of the suburbs like Overland Park, down into Lee Summit, maybe in Grandview. Could be several degrees warmer than, say, the Northland. And there is the possibility of a few pop-up storms here in the metro later today, but the severe risk is very low. Tomorrow for the Chiefs preseason game at Arrowhead, it's going to be hot. Kickoff temperature somewhere around 94 with a heat index value of 105. But the day of change is still Sunday into Monday. Noticeably cooler conditions, lower humidity. We warm back up to near 90 on Wednesday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.